Hello, Namaste and good morning my dear students. Today again we are in the same chapter, that is the indices. So here solve, we have to solve this question. Solve means we have to find out the value of given variable. So what is variable here? X. So I have told you yesterday, like same, if powers are added, so we have to separate the base. So here 2 power how much? X plus 3. So it became 2 power x into 2 power 3 plus 1 upon 2 power x minus 9 equal to 0. And then after, to make it easy, you are watching both are same. So we have to suppose this 2 power x with any alphabet. So let 2 power x equal to what? A. Then this equation became a 2 power 3 means what? 8 plus 1 by a minus 9 equal to 0. We can write like this. Then after, a into 8 means 8a plus 1 by a minus 9 equal to 0. And then after, you are watching, here is given in fraction, so we have to take the LCM. So you are watching here denoted is what? 1, here is also 1 and here is a. So the LCM of 1, a and 1 is what? A. What is LCM? A. So we have got the LCM, and then after we have to divide the LCM by the denominator. So what is the denominator? 1. A is divided by 1. So what is left? A. So 8a into a means what? 8a square plus, this is the LCM. Again the same process will repeat. A by a means what? 1. 1 into 1 means 1 minus here is what? 1. So a, when a is divided by 1, then what is left? A. So 9 into a means 9, a equal to 0. Now cross multiply, here is nothing than 1. So it became this whole multiply with 1. So will be same, 8a square minus 9a plus 1, a into 0 means 0, a into 0 means 0. Now we have how many terms? 3 terms. So we have to factorize now this trinomial expression. We have to factorize now. So what is the factor? See here, 8 ones are 8 by adding, because the sign of last term is what? Plus. So by adding the factor, how much we should get? 9. We should get 9. So 8 ones are 8, 8 plus 1 9. So here a square minus a, 8 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 0. You are watching here, 8 plus 1 means what? 9. So 8a square minus into plus minus 8a minus into plus minus a into 1, a plus 1 equal to 0. In this way we have got how many terms? 4 terms. So between these 2 terms we should take common. So see there, what is common here in both term? 8a is the common. So take 8a is the common. So what is left here? A minus here 1, then after minus, and between these 2 term what is common? 1 is common. So take 1 common, 1. So a minus into here minus into plus minus equal to 0. Again you are watching, in both term what is common? A minus 1 is common, a minus 1 is common. So again take common, a minus 1 is common, and then after in other bracket 8a minus 1 equal to 0. In this way we have how many factors? 2 factors. So here RHS is what? 0. So LHS must be 0. So to be 0, either this value should be 0. So 0 into 1 is 0 into this is what? 0, or this value whole must be 0. So, this into 0 means 0. So, we have to write here either a minus 1 equal to 0 or 8a minus 1 equal to 0. So, now here a equal to what? 1, and here 8a equal to what? Plus 1. While transposing, here is minus sign. So, while transposing it became plus, So, see here, we have suppose the value of a is what? 2 power x, and we have to find out the value of x, not the value of a. So, in place of a, how much we have supposed? 2 power x. So, in place of a, write here 2 power x, because the value of a is 2 power x, and you know that what is the base here? 2, and what is the result here? 1. So, you can write 2 power 0, because if the power of any base is 0, then the value is what? 1. So, what is base here? 2. So, we have to write here 2 power 0. If base is 3 here, so we have to write 3 power 0. Then the value will be how much? 1. And here a equal to what? 1 by 8. So, likewise this cancel. X equal to how much? 0. We have got one value, x equal to how much? 0. And then after, like here also put 2 power x, and here we can write, we have to convert this number in the base of 2. So, you can write 2 power 3, 2 power 3. So, now you are watching this value is where? In numerator, and this is where? In denominator. So, to cancel them both base, it should be on the same position. So, 2 power x. So, if transfer from denominator to numerator, the sign of power will change. Here the sign of power is what? Plus. So, it became 2 power minus 3. So, 2 to cancel, therefore, x equal to what? Minus 3. This is the answer. In this way, we have got the value of x is what? First value is 0 and second value is what? Minus 3. So, likewise, you have to solve like this. To make it easy, you have to suppose this common number with any alphabets, and then after factorize that, equate that, and then after keep the values what we have supposed, and then after we will get the answer. So, in this way you have to do this question. So, I think you have no any problem in such question. Let us see other question. See here, next question is here, if a equal to b power c and b equal to c power a and c equal to a power b. So, what we have to prove here? Question is said, prove that a b c equal to how much? 1. A b c equal to 1. Then after see here 3 conditions are given: a equal to b power c, b equal to c power a, and c equal to a power b. So, out of these 3 conditions, you have to take any one condition. So, here to prove what given here. So, here I have taken a equal to b power c, this condition. So, you are watching a equal to b power c is given condition, and what is the value of b is given here? C power a. So, in place of b, keep this value of b, that is c power a. So, a equal to, in place of b, what is here? C power a. So, c power a whole power is what? C. So, we know what is the rule? If power over power, then they are multiplied. If power over power, then they are multiplied. So, c, a into c means what? AC. And again c, what is the value of c is given here? C equal to a power b, c equal to a power b. So, put that value. So, in place of c, a power b and whole power is what? AC. So again same rule, if powers over power then they are multiplied. So b whole power is what? AC. So it became b into AC means A B C, and what is the power here? 1. So this cancel, therefore A B C equal to 1. This is proved. So likewise you have to do this. Out of these three conditions, any condition you can choose, you can take, and then after keep their respective values what are given here, and lastly you will get their answer. So in this way you have to do the problem here. And next, see there, next number, next question. Next question is given here. If a power p, a power q, a power p into a power q equal to a power p whole power q. This condition is given, and what we have to prove here given, prove that p bracket q minus 2 plus q bracket p minus 2 equal to how much? 0. So with the help of this condition we have to prove this much equal to how much given there? 0. We have to prove 0. So let's see, first solve this condition. So here a power p into a power q equal to a power p whole power q. So you know the rule very well. What is the rule? If bases are same then powers are added. If bases are same then powers are added. So here base are what? A. So a powers what? P and q. So p plus q equal to, and here what is the rule? If powers over power then they are multiplied. So you can write p into q a power pq like this. So this cancel. What relation we have got? P plus q equal to pq. We have got the relation that sum of p and q equal to product of p and q. This relation we have got from the given relation, and then after we have to prove this equal to how much? 0. This equal to how much? 0. So let's see, take left hand side, what is given? P bracket q minus 2 plus q bracket p minus 2. So now multiply, open the bracket. So p into q means what? pq minus 2p plus pq plus into minus 2 what? Q. Then after here pq plus pq means what? 2 pq, and here minus 2p plus minus 2p minus 2q. So 2pq here, and you are watching in between 2 this term, what is the common? 2 is the common. So minus 2 take the common. So p minus into minus means what? Plus. You know how to take the common. So 2 pq minus, and then after see here what is the value of p plus q is given here? P plus q equal to p into q. So in place of this we have to write pq, and then after see here plus 2 pq minus 2 pq cancelled, what is? 0. So this is the answer RHS proved. We have to prove 0. So in this way we have to solve this question. First you have to solve the condition. From the condition you will get the special condition, and then after take left hand side and simplify that, and then after put their value, and lastly we will get the answer. So very sincerely you have to solve all these questions. So, let us see other question here. Next, nothing is there, just you have to remember the rule and you have to follow the steps. And then next is given, next question, if x power a equal to y power b equal to z power c and y square equal to zx, and then after we have to prove, so that what we have to prove, 1 by ac plus 1 by a plus 1 by c equal to 2 by b, 2 by b. So, see here equality conditions are given here. So, first we have to find out the individual value of x, y and z by supposing with any constant number. So, here because the three equalities are given here, so we have to find the actual value of x, y and z by supposing. So, let x power a equal to y power b equal to z power c is given. So, all these equal to what? Suppose k. What we have to suppose? K. So, this equal to this equal to this equal to this. So, we can write x power a equal to what? K. Likewise, y power b equal to k. Likewise, z power c equal to k. So, in the form of k, we have to find out the actual value of x, y and z. So, therefore, x equal to how much? What is the power here? 1. So, while transposing this power, if here in power it is in numerator, so while transposing it will goes on denominator. If here in denominator, so it will goes on numerator. So, here in numerator, so it became what? K power 1 by a, like this, and y k power 1 by b. Here all the power is what? 1, and z power z equal to k power 1 by c. So, we have got the value of x, y and z in the form of k, and then after next condition is what given here? Y equal to y square equal to zx, y square equal to zx. So, now by question y square equal to what given? Zx. So, now put the value y equal to how much? Here k power 1 by b. So, here write k power 1 by b, and here y square should become whole square equal z means what? K power 1 by c, k power 1 by c into x means what? K power 1 by a, k power 1 by a. So, we know very well, if powers over power, then they are multiplied, they are multiplied. So, 2 1 ja 2 means 2 by b, 2 by b equal, bases are same, then powers are added, means 1 by c plus 1 by a. So, both side the base is same, so you can cancel them. So, therefore, how much left? 2 by b, 2 by b equal to 1 by a plus 1 by c. Proved. This is the answer. So, is there any confusion? Certainly, you have no any confusion. So, firstly you have to suppose with common number, and then after find the value of x, y, z, and the whatever you have got the value of x, y, z, you have to keep in this condition, and then after simplify, lastly we will get the answer what is we have to find out. And then after next question like same, that is given in root. So, see here, and you have to practice also at home. So next question is, here given if equal y and x y z equal to what condition given 1. So your question is asked to prove p plus q plus r equal to what? 0. This much we have to prove. So see there, just we have done like same we have to do also here. So here also we have to suppose these are the equality, all three these conditions are what? Equal. So we have to suppose here pth order x equal to, so let y z equal to what? K. So change in fraction form. So what is this? This became 1 by p y power 1 by q z power 1 by r equal to k. So these all are equal with k, so equate with k. So x power 1 by p equal to k, y power 1 by q equal to k, z power 1 by r equal to k. So we have to find out the value of x. So here x equal to what? I have told you it will just reverse while going other side. So here is what? K power 1. So it became what? X power p, x power x equal to k power p, y equal to k power q, z equal to k power r, k power r. So we have got the value of x, y and z, x, y and z. So now here take the condition. Now x, y, z equal to what? 1. So now keep the value of x. What is the value of x? K power p, k power p into y, k power q into z, k power r equal to what? 1 is given there. Here 1. So you know, if bases are same then powers are added. So it became what? K p plus q plus r. Bases are same then powers are added. So it became p plus q plus r equal to, here 1 is here. So 1 means what? What is the base here? K. So you can write in place of 1 k power 0, because if the value of any base is 0, power is 0, then the value is what? 1. So k and k cancel, therefore p plus q plus r equal to 0. This is proved. So likewise, very sincerely you have to do the solution. So let's see, the time is about to finish. Last question for today. Last question for today. See there. Solve 2 power x 16 upon 2 power x equal to 10 is given. Solve means we have to find out the value of variable. So what is variable here? X. So for this you are watching, both are same. So suppose this, let 2 power x equal to a, then the equation became what? A 16 by a equal 10. Then after they are in fraction, here is denominator 1 and here is a. So the LCM of 1 and a is what? A. So a into a means a square, while dividing we have a, plus a divided by a means 1. 16 into 1 means 16 equal to 10. So what is your downside? 1. So now cross multiply. So what is here? A square plus 16 when multiplied by 1. A into 10 means 10a. 10a. And then after we have to find the value of a. That's why whatever in right hand side we have to completely transpose to left hand side, and right hand side must be 0. So here a square, what is here? Plus, so minus 10a plus 16. You have to arrange in a order, either ascending or descending order. Then after, see here again we have to find the factor of this one. So 16 1 ja 16, by adding how much we should get? 10. So 16 1 ja 16, 4 4 ja 16, 4 plus 4 means what? 8, because plus sign is here. So 8 2 ja 16, 8 plus 2 means what? 10. So here a square minus a 8 plus 2 plus 16 equal to 0. So a square minus into plus minus 8a minus into plus minus 2a plus 16 equal to 0. So same process between these two terms, we should take the common. We should take the common. So what is common here? A is common. So what is left? A minus 8 minus 2 is common. A minus into plus minus 8 equal to 0. So a, again you are watching, a minus 8 is what? Common. So a minus 8, and what is left? A minus 2 equal to 0. It means what? Here left hand right hand side completely 0. It means left hand side must be 0. So under what condition it will be 0? If this value of this factor is 0, so 0 into this means 0. Either this equal to 0, so 0 into this means 0. That's why we have to equate with 0. So either a minus 8 equal to 0 or a minus 2 equal to 0. So a equal to what? 8, a equal to 2. So we have not find out the value of a. What we have to find out? Value of x. We have to find out the value of x. So what is here? A equal to how much? 2 power x. So in place of a, keep the value 2 power x. So here is we can write with same base, 2 power 3 means what? 8. So 2 to cancel, x equal to how much? 3. X equal to 3, and here 2 power x. So 2 power 1 means 2, cancel, x equal to how much? 1. Therefore the required value of x equal to 3 and 1. This is the answer. So likewise you have to do. I think you are able to solve all the problems. So today this much. I hope that you are practicing at home, certainly. So if you have problem, I daily used to say that if you have any problem, then you can consult your math teacher of your own school. So thank you so much for watching.